रेडी।
डियर फ्रेंड्स, अभी आजकल लॉकडाउन का टाइम चल रहा है, तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम है जब हम अपनी हॉबीज़ को भी पूरा कर सकते हैं। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हम इंग्लिश स्पोकन ट्रेनिंग क्लासेस स्टार्ट करें। तो इसके लिए मैं बस आपको एक इंग्लिश क्लासेस के लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ बस 2 लाइन आपको बोलूँगी, फिर उसके बाद देन वी विल स्टार्ट इन इंग्लिश। बिकॉज़ सब 2 लाइन आपको बताना चाहूँगी उन लोगों के लिए जो कि इंग्लिश मीडियम के नहीं हैं, हिंदी मीडियम के हैं, क्योंकि उन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा हेजिटेशन होता है। तो आप सबसे पहले तो ये सीखिए, समझिए कि इंग्लिश स्पोकन करना बहुत ही आसान है। क्योंकि बस एक एग्ज़ाम्पल उसके लिए ये है कि जो एक बच्चा होता है तो वो भाषा कैसे सीखता है, तो कैसे सीखता है, वो सिर्फ सुनता है 2 साल तक। 2 साल के बाद वो पहले वो वर्ड्स सीखता है और ग्रेजुअली जो है वो धीरे धीरे जो है लैंग्वेज सीखता है और 2 साल से फिर वो सेंटेंस बनाकर बोलना सीख जाता है। तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो क्या है कि आप स्पीकिंग, आपको लिसनिंग, तो 4 स्किल्स होती हैं लैंग्वेज में, लिसनिंग, फिर स्पीकिंग, देन रीडिंग एंड एट लास्ट राइटिंग। पर हम लोग जो नॉर्मली हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स या हिंदी, हम लोगों की लोकेलिटी तो नॉर्मली हिंदी मीडियम लोकेलिटी में ही हम लोग रहते हैं। तो हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि स्पीकिंग हम क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं, हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि वो रीडिंग और राइटिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है, लिसनिंग एंड देन स्पीकिंग। और नॉर्मली आजकल का जो एनवायरनमेंट है वो कौन सा है, इंग्लिश का। इंग्लिश मीन्स आधी हिंदी और आधी इंग्लिश। तो फर्स्ट, सो नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द पॉइंट। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सो व्हेन यू विल लिसन मोर एंड मोर, so then you will, for 20 minutes if you will listen to English speaking person, then you will naturally you will be inspired to speak. So what you have to do is to listening, and the second thing is to try to speak. So but when we listen to someone, so we are inspired, and we at that time we are also thinking to speak, but we are hesitating. So don't try to be hesitating. And now in these days you are at home, nobody is there, your spouse at home, your children are at home, so you should speak to them, even they laugh, it doesn't matter, and actually they also want that you should learn. And if they are laughing also, it doesn't matter, why we should be shy, so language we can you can learn by looking, you can understand by expressions also, language is such a thing, even animals can understand, they do not have read any language, they have not wrote any language, our pets can understand language. Pets means animals, our paltu animals. So sometimes, so 2 things, so first thing is listening, second thing is speaking. We are having so many words we are using in our daily life, and third thing is then comes that you can, as we are all have read English, as a subject you have read it, but you are hesitating, or there are many of you are speaking also, but there is no fluency. So you can also increase the fluency by speaking, because totally we are living in Hindi medium atmosphere, we are using Hindi, and we are thinking that there is no need also, sometimes when we are going to our children, for such a group of people like mine, that when we are going to our children's schools, in English medium schools, then there we see that teachers are speaking in English. So at that time we feel the need of speaking in English, otherwise we are not getting opportunity also to speak in English, and self inspiration is very little, because the environment plays a very important role. So the next thing, so you have to start from home, with your children, with your husband, with your spouse, your family members, and it was a very good time. So what you have to do is to create atmosphere, and the main and third step we can take is reading, about reading and writing. So whatever one more thing I would like to tell you, that whatever it was a introductory video, today I am starting it. So as a summary I am telling you what we have to do, in next series, when I will get time, I will make more videos, and we will continue it daily. I will try my best to do this. but in today's introductory video I am telling you that then third step, first step is listening, second step is speaking. You will watch this video, then you will for some time you will be motivated also, inspired also, and then you will speak also, but it will influence you for 1 hour, 2 hour. After that it will you will you will not be in that atmosphere, and your mind will go somewhere else, and you will forget it that I have to speak in English and I have to improve my fluency. So then third step is reading, because what first thing is listening, then second step is speaking, and third step is reading, I would like to say, because whatever we are reading, whatever we are watching, it runs in our mind, it was going in our mind continuously. So it was also very good thing. So but nowadays we are not getting newspapers also. So but much better option we are having today is net. So you